Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Newport Transporter Bridge. We was requested to come here by Mr. Parker. This is where the anchors attach for the bridge. So let's go show you. They are building a new visitor centre by here. I believe it's going to open summer 2024. And they've taken the opportunity at the moment, whilst they're building a visitor centre, to close the bridge for refurbishment too. And this is only one of two transporter bridges left in the United Kingdom. So there we go guys, that was Newport Transporter Bridge. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope I was good enough for you, Mr. Parker. Please like, comment, subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.